Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're unboxing something that in my eyes is a little bit controversial for me. So there's a few companies out there that make a few different products. Some you hear really good reviews from, they might create spoilers or side skirts, front splitters and spoiler lips. There's a few companies out there. This company, there's mixed reviews in terms of fitment for the spoiler itself. So this is the spoiler lip from Maxton Designs. It's got mixed reviews. Some people say it doesn't fit 100%. You may have to do a little bit of work to it, i.e. heat it up and kind of mold it to your spoiler. Other people say it fits perfectly fine. And there's a few companies out there that they do create spoiler lips, but not in this kind of design. And I wanted this a little bit more crazy, I guess. I'm slowly going away from the low-key car and kind of putting a little bit more crazy things onto it. So this is it. So let's open it up and have a look what's inside. Okay, so just split the top open. You can see the company that I bought this from. Obviously there's loads of companies out there, but this was the best deal that I could get, was from AET. And here she is. So I've gone for the gloss black version. Let's just undo this if I can with one hand. I've gone for the gloss black version. The reason for that, obviously everything else on my car is gloss black. But let's see if we can open up this next packaging now, because there's a package in a package. I think I can just rip it and send here. If I had my knife on me, this would be much easier. Let's just grab that. Right, okay. I have a knife. Okay, we're in. We're in, everyone. Panic over. Let's get it, put it out, and let's see what we've got. You know what? I quite like it. So, tell you what, the first thing I'm noticing straight away, obviously it has got this protective wrapping on top. So bear that in mind. Obviously you're probably looking at these edges thinking, oh my god, they're awful. But it has got the protective wrapping. Super quick one for anyone that thought that stuff was a bit weird. I've just peeled it back a little bit. Hopefully you can see that line there. If I wipe that, it does actually come off, and it kind of creates like this weird, you can see it on my fingers now, I've got it all over my fingers. It creates like a weird residue. So if you think it's damaged, or when it comes and you think it's damaged, a good little example is here. If I peel this off just a bit, you're looking at that and you're thinking, that looks kind of damaged, but if you get your finger, it disappears instantly. So for a minute there I was thinking, oh god, I'm going to have to send it back. But we're all good. Anyway, I hope so anyway. We will have to see. Anyway, all is good. So you can see that it's gloss black on that side. On this side it's a little bit less. I don't know whether you guys can see that. So on this side it's really, 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 really shiny. On this side it's not as gloss, to the point where I may even paint it myself, like spray paint it. I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, no, overall it looks cool. So obviously it's going to sit on the car like that. So as I said before, you can buy ones that are kind of this, but this is just a little bit more crazy with the kind of, crazy styling behind it. But yeah, overall I'm quite happy with that. That's nice. I'll probably peel off this wrapping and just make sure it's all good in terms of quality, and then we'll go from there and see. But yeah. Okay, got a little bit carried away, and this is kind of recorded after the thing, so you'll see this inserted midway through the install. I say install, unboxing. But yeah, it comes with instruction manual, you know, check the fitting, prepare the spoiler surface, install and check. It looks like they are saying it's a 3M tape. It's just normally what I'm used to is a 3M tape has branding on it normally, but there's no branding on it other than this, which is a surface cleaner. So the plan is basically, I'll install this tomorrow because it's like almost midnight now. I'm going to clean the car off, fully take all the ceramic wax off of the spoiler itself, use some methylated spirits, and then use this as a final surface cleaner, and then see how it goes. But yeah, it comes with a little thing. Another thing I've just noticed also, who makes their logo? Like, I get it, you know, have a nice logo, but then why put your thing there? It just makes it look a little bit tacky, in my opinion anyway. You know, have a cool logo. It's a pretty cool logo, the Maxton thing, but don't have, you know, your website underneath it. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, thank you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is the Maxton spoiler lip unboxing. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Once again, it depends what happens when it comes to fitting. Obviously, it's got 3M tape. Well, hopefully it's 3M tape. It looks like just double-sided tape. It's not branded. But it's got double-sided tape that you would use to kind of stick to your car. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, favorite, subscribe, and follow my Instagram. Bye.
Run them jewels fast, run them jewels fast, run them, fuck the slow-mo.